Yep.
Hey everybody, this is Jerry Kazaya at the Auto Shop in beautiful Plano, Texas. It's one of those crazy days here and we have all kinds of things that keep showing up. And this is another example of why it's so important to have your vehicle checked regularly. We love the safety inspections that Texas requires, the annual vehicle safety inspections, because we get to find things like this. Car came into the shop, there was zero brake fluid in the master cylinder. Zero. I'm talking zero brake fluid. Customer brought it in because they wanted the windows checked on the car. Well, let me tell you what we found. Here's the brake hose. It's almost completely severed. Look at this. It's almost completely severed. This vehicle is unsafe to drive. Unsafe. And this car is out on the road. When we said to the client, hey, you need to have us find out what's going on, where's the brake fluid, they said, I don't have time, I have to pick up my kids. I'm telling you, this car cannot leave unless it's either repaired or on the back of a tow truck. So my lovely assistant, Dr. Laura, asked me to show you a couple things. First of all, on this car, here's the master cylinder, and this was completely empty with fluid. We have since filled it because we're going to bleed the rest of the system to verify that the master cylinder is functioning. But one of the symptoms that you'll find when you have no brake fluid is your brake pedal goes all the way down to the floor and you have like no brakes. Like it's really bad brake system, okay? Or it can go all the way down the floor and I mean zero brakes. Okay. This car, somehow, miraculously, it still had enough fluid for the rear brakes to function, but the front brakes had zero stopping capability and zero brake pressure because the hose was broken. And the hose, the fluid just shoots out. And it's been, if you go back to the video, I'll show you, I'll do another clip, but that video, the hose has been, it's been like this for so long, there's no fresh, wet fluid anywhere around it. So this has been on the road for a long time. I don't want those kind of cars on my road. You might get hurt, I might get hurt. Someone we love could be absolutely endangered because of a car like this. It's our job to keep these cars off the road, and that's what we do here at the Auto Shop. Please call us today at 972-578-0588 or catch us online, make an appointment at www.theautoshop.com. I'm Jerry, this is the Auto Shop, and help us do our job. Bring us your cars. See you next time.